Today, I need to install this, a push button. For some reason, the key doesn't work all the time. I have no idea why. We've checked the wires. I've looked behind the thing. The key switchy thing doesn't work. When it gets super hot, gotta push start it. Like, push start it. You can ask everybody at Proving Grounds this year, or whatever they call it now. It's still Proving Grounds. We pushed it like 14 times. Every time it was in a terrible spot, too. Anyways, push button. It's going in. Here we go. That fits perfectly. So, I forgot a light. Anyways, here are my wires. I've just been starting it. Okay, don't keep it in gear. Alright. Fuck. Okay, we're gonna disconnect the battery. Firstly. Have a wrench on my keys that fits this nut. That's the first thing we had to do. Okay. Alright. I have a light. Should work. Oh, that's probably going to scratch up my cage. Whatever. I have my button. And I have my trusty dusty Harbor Freight tool. Okay, so these are my two wires. Obviously, the battery is disconnected. So these are connected to my starter, which run through my trans hole I cut for my shifter, and they wrap around the transmission and then over to the starter. I did this a long time ago. I probably should have recorded it because it was a mess. But I have a small hole that I have made right here. First thing we're going to do is connect the wires. Okay, let's run this somewhere out of the way. Oh my god, this is a bit... There we go. Alright. You know, this wire seems way too long. Oh yeah, Jesus, look at the difference. Whatever. Who cares? As long as it works. If anybody asks me how I learned how to do all this, it's because I set this chick's car on fire one time. She wanted a underglow installed, and I plugged the wires in backwards, like positive to negative, I think. Like everything just started turning orange instantaneously. And then I blamed it on the switch so that she still thought I was cool. I don't think she thought it was cool at all. But I was really cool. Come on. Nice! Oh, what the hell is... isn't getting tight. Well, it's installed, but this... Oh, come on. There we go. Won't tighten. No matter what I do. Oh, great. Okay. That's not going to work. Good thing I tested it. Okay, so, obviously, this is not going to work. So, we need to go find my random bucket of nuts and bolts, which is... Oh, it's right over here. Check it out. The perfect container. Alright, now I'm going to sit here for 5 minutes and try to find the right one. Alright, so, what I have done is taken this weird little washer piece. I have no idea what it's called. I just took it off and we're eating it because now it works. Hooray. So now let's go turn the car on. Okay. I have it in my garage, not my shop. because it's warm in here because of the furnace. Okay. That's a good sign. Recommend putting these on your keys if you ever do a lot of work on your car. Because, I don't know, just because it works for me. So maybe it'll work for you. Neutral this time. Of course it starts. Okay, push button. I gotta close that furnace door, or else my whole house is gonna smell like 4-6 with an oil leak. Okay, that is now installed. It really wasn't that hard. I guess it kind of took me a while. I didn't show you the wires. I'm not gonna crawl under my car. It's super easy. You have the starter. You have the 2 wires. I don't know. You kind of come up, whatever, and then the push button. It's really not that hard. Save that for later, even though it doesn't work for anything. Well, yeah, now she is more reliable than she was 10 minutes ago.